If you are struggling with a pesky ABS light and a brake warning light, the two that come on together on your E46, then this is probably the video for you. So we're going to show you exactly what you can try for free without any tools, just to try and get rid of this ABS warning light. This is worth trying before you spend money on parts, before you spend time and money with garages. It's a very simple thing that you can do yourself at home, and if it works, then it's a bonus for you. So let's get right into it. Well, I say no tools, but all you need is two basic tools. Well, one tool in essence. You need a flathead screwdriver and some electrical contact cleaner. That's all you need. So go to where your ABS is and you want to take this block connector out. I've done it already, so I'm not going to do it again. I don't want to disturb anything. So all you got to do is lift this tab up, and if it's a little bit tough, just get a flat screwdriver, pop it in there, and this slides up. I may show you another video of how I did it before. It is a short form video, but at least it gives you an idea of how it's done. So to remove this, what you got to do is you got to pull this tab at the top. Got to pull it up as much as you can without breaking it. There we go. And this should start to remove. Just pull it back and forth a bit. There we go. That has now been removed. So you just lift this up, you pull this block connector out gently, and I use some electrical contact cleaner. So just spray the block connector and blow it all off, and do the same on the other side where the pins are. Just spray it all down and make sure you completely dry the area properly. Use an airline if you've got it, otherwise just use a piece of tissue and just get all of the electrical cleaner out. So the next thing I'm going to do, I've got some electrical contact cleaner here, is I'm going to clean the block and the points on that side. And then simply just pop it back in, slide the clip back on. I'm going to simply plug it back in. Make sure you just push it evenly on top and bottom, and then just slowly slide the connector back in. Just making sure that it all goes in fine. And that should clear your errors. The traction control light should go off, and the orange light that comes on here should also turn off. And that has worked successfully for us. It's worked for other people. So it's definitely worth giving it a try, because those sensors down there, they are expensive from BMW. They're about £200 each. And if you was to get them secondhand as well, they're about £50 each as well. So, sorry, they're about £30 each if you were to get them used. But this is definitely worth trying. It worked for us, so I just wanted to share that with you guys and just give you that little handy tip. If you find things like this useful, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and we'll see you on the next one.